I'm excited to put in the finishing touches on our raffle program here from the Douglas County Humane Society. First thing we've got is our Easy Run engine test stand. This is the best engine run test stand in the business. I got two of them, and I got to tell you, I know what I'm doing. Now, this one is the Samamolo Signature Edition, made exclusively for the Douglas County Humane Society. It's got candy apple blue powder coat, corresponding or contrasting hammer tone silver or hammer tone gray cross members. This thing is gorgeous, all completely equipped. Sitting on the Easy Run engine test stand, we've got a 306 cubic inch 5-liter Ford motor. It's a Ford crate engine, 30 thousandths bore, over bore. It's got forged pistons, forged I-beam rods, E303 Ford roller cam, roller lifters, steel push rods, aluminum roller rocker arms, all sitting on top of aluminum GT40 Ford heads. We got polished valve covers. We got an Endura-Shine Edelbrock Performer manifold. Sitting on top of that is a 4-barrel throttle body, Easy EFI fuel injection from Fast, part of the Comp Cams group. Got a HEI distributor capable of 50,000 volts, 1-wire hookup. All of this is topped off by a polished Speed by Spectra aluminum air intake. It's a muscle car cold air intake. It's a beautiful package. Everything's done to the nines, everything's torqued right, got the best of everything. And of course our Easy Run engine test stand, this is the Pro model. Now these things will retail for $2,000 bucks, a little less than $2,000. This one, of course, a lot of special stuff on it. And they come complete. When you buy an Easy Run engine test stand in the Pro model, you get, of course, the frames, you get 8-inch polyurethane casters, they're convex, the swivel on that end, they're both locking. Okay, it rolls easily, even with a big engine on it, over a shop floor. You get a nice little accessory tool tray, you get an aluminum radiator with an electric fan and a shroud. The radiator has 4 outlets, so it wouldn't matter what your configuration, left or right is, it's going to work. Of course, you get the complete dashboard, you get a battery box, you get a fuel tank and tray. This stand is all pre-wired and it's done right, and it has fuses and relays where they're applicable. It's a great product. The only accessory on this, or the only option, is our throttle control right here, which is a nice piece. I wouldn't be without it. Let me take you to the dashboard. And again, this dashboard can be mounted anywhere. You can move this thing. This whole stand goes together with one wrench. I use a 9/16 gear wrench. On the dash panel, you have a water temperature gauge. It's mechanical with a board and tube. Oil pressure gauge, again mechanical. And of course a voltmeter. An 8,000 RPM Sun Pro tack. Then a series of switches. Electric cool fan, electric fuel pump, coil power. This I had if you run an electric water pump. It's also protected with a fuse and relay circuit. You have a start button here which operates the starter obviously, and your master power switch. When it's in the lock position you can take the key out so nobody can mess with the stand if you don't want them to. Once it's in and you turn it, go to the on position. The power light right here comes on to let you know the ignition's on, or the power is supplied to the panel. And you can see each one of these is illuminated. It's really neat. When you throw a switch on, it lights up too. Now we're ready to start our Ford engine. And by the way, one of the other accessories is this nice little feature right here. This little deal sits in the top of this cross member. It's a great place to put your timing light or a cup of coffee. There's a little platform here. You can put a multiple spark discharge box. I got the Easy EFI processor mounted there. Now, before I fire it, we have a set of headers coming down to a couple of flexible connectors, and I've got a set of mufflers on this so it won't be too loud. These mufflers are Spintech. Spintech makes mufflers for the World of Outlaws wing sprint cars. These are going to my '39 Chevy. What these do is they generate a vortex, and they accelerate the exhaust gases for more power. They help to keep the heat in. They're going to my '39 Chevy. Just put them on there so we'll run this thing and we can do it anywhere without making a lot of noise. All right, we're ready to fire it up. It's real simple. When you've checked out everything, got your coolant in here, you've got your fuel in and so on, make sure your vent is open on your fuel tank. And remember, you can run an engine on this, fire it up, break in the cam, check it for water leaks, oil leaks, everything you want to do, run it for hours. So when you take it off the Easy Run engine test stand, you've dialed in everything. If it's a carburetor, a timing, or a fuel injection, you know you take it off the stand, you put it in that car once, hook up the wires, and away you go. All right, let me fire this bad boy. Watch the temperature, got great oil pressure. Got a good idle quality for an engine with a big cam. We'll build us a little bit of temperature first. Now it's been running, it's not quite up to where it needs to be. You got a throttle adjustment here. You can advance the throttle, hold your RPM up. You can limit the throttle travel with this knob. What could be nicer than that? Those mufflers sound great. When you're ready for the cool fan, you turn that on. It's a great puller. It moves a lot of air through that shrouded radiator. This does a great job. So, now we're ready for the raffle. The Douglas County Humane Society will have the tickets printed soon, and we'll have our flyers soon. You look at samsgarage.com, shadetreemechanic.com, douglascountyhumanesociety.org, and of course, this will be on easy-run.com, be on their website as well. $10 for one ticket for the engine stand. Like I said, in this configuration, almost a $2,500 value. This engine somewhere around $10,000 retail, $10 a piece for the tickets. And again, the engine comes complete from air cleaner to oil pan. This is going to be a great raffle. We hope you'll participate.